Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the 11th day of the Evergreen Woodworking Topics series. Today, we're diving into the world of advanced woodworking. We'll explore 3 intricate techniques: carving, turning, and inlay. Whether you're an experienced woodworker or just looking to expand your skills, this video has something for everyone. Let's get started.
Segment 1, Carving. First up, let's talk about wood carving. This ancient art requires precision, patience, and the right tools. Carving can transform a simple piece of wood into a work of art. There are several types of carving, including relief carving, chip carving, and whittling. Today, we'll focus on relief carving. Start by sketching your design directly onto the wood. A soft pencil works best for this. Begin with a shallow cut to outline your design. Use a variety of chisels to achieve different depths and textures. Remember to always carve with the grain to avoid splitting the wood. Take your time and don't rush the process. Each cut should be deliberate and controlled. And there you have it, a beautifully carved piece ready for finishing touches.
Segment 2, Turning. Next, we'll explore wood turning, a technique that allows you to create symmetrical shapes using a lathe. Turning wood can be incredibly rewarding. Start by securing your wood block on the lathe. Ensure it's balanced to avoid any wobbling. Use a roughing gouge to shape the wood. Once you have the basic shape, switch to finer tools for detailed work. Always maintain a steady hand and apply even pressure. Safety is crucial, so wear eye protection and keep your tools sharp. With practice, you'll be able to create beautifully turned pieces like this bowl. The possibilities are endless.
Segment 3, Inlay Techniques. Finally, let's delve into inlay techniques. Inlaying adds stunning detail and contrast to your woodwork. Choose your inlay materials. Common choices include contrasting with veneers, mother of pearl, or even metal. Draw your design onto the base wood. Cut out the inlay pieces using a sharp knife or a fret saw. Precision is key here. Place the inlay pieces into the cutout sections of the base wood. Use wood glue to secure them. Clamp the piece to ensure a tight fit. Once the glue is dry, sand the surface until it's smooth and flush. The result is a stunning piece with intricate details that stand out beautifully.
Woodworking is a journey of creativity and skill. Whether you're carving, turning, or inlaying, each technique offers unique ways to express your artistry. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting and pushing your limits.
In this video, we told you advanced woodworking skills, carving, turning, and inlay techniques. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series we will learn Introduction to Woodworking Design Principles. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.